you say?
I want to learn how to fish.
Sorry, miss, but my fee is $2. This is fishing 101. Man, I'm so good at this stuff. Huh? Oh, in order to be a fisherman, you gotta be properly equipped. Step 2, find it in your bait. Yeah. Oh, he's a nice one. Third step is properly equip your fishing rod. This is perfect. I'll get him here in a second. Oh. Uh-oh. He lost his tentacle squadron. That's not good. Well, I guess we'll try to just stuff it in there. It worked. Oh! I think I got it! Oh. Well, that bait didn't seem to last long. Let's try a new one. You're okay. You're okay. Oh, God, that must have hurt. Now we'll wait. Oh, step 4, be aware of the wildlife around you. Very scary, very dangerous. Oh, those little raccoons over there. Oh, you're so precious over there. Oh! Step 5, casting. Be a good one. Now that I've taught you all your fishing steps and you're a pro fisher, the results should. Oh! I got some. She's a big one. Oh! Results might vary. The nature around you, the wildlife, dangerous. Oh, it's a rowdy raccoon. They're here again. They're here.
It is now.
It's so loud.
That's awesome. All right, so there's a woodpecker. All right. All right. Step 4 is you got to be aware of the wildlife around you and the dangers. There's many. Oh, there's some rowdy raccoons over there. Dang it! I didn't have my accent! Alright. Wilderness around you. Very, very scary and dangerous.
Alright, accent.
Oh,
Accent.
Oh, step 4 is.
Just go. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, there's some raccoons over there. Oh God, they're about to hit me. Yeah.